see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause I know I can't get to you.
Yeah, that'll be right. You haven't grown that much, so that'll be
Mate, I have.
perfect. Pull them down a bit.
Look, that's at my thing.
Good morning, guys.
That's it. Not like that.
It's Sunday, the next day na to. Check lang namin
What about socks?
yung mga dala ni Sak. Yan kasi
Where's
yung
socks?
gagamitin niya mamaya sa ano nila, sa laro, sa match. Ng under 12.
Why?
Where's the other one?
Remember I didn't get any? And then look, it looks like
That's all right, mate. Now, if you've
It's
got
alright,
khakis,
Sak.
because you wear all your jackets and that, make it look like you. Oof, Jacko.
Oh, Rachel.
You have to.
Yeah, have to because it's winter, Sak.
Just so everyone else wear it.
That's
It's not
right.
really uniform.
It's cold.
Come in trackies and all that. This is legit stuff, mate. All right, pack it up.
Say please.
Yeah. Better now.
Yeah.
Look at it, looks sporty. Yeah, I give you feel.
I love your denim, ate.
I do too, Isla. Like what that.
So, yun na yung bigay ni ate Holly niyang ano, leggings.
Right, pack it up.
Looks nice, ate. Dahil kasya na sa kanya. Ano ba? Ang cute nila.
Holly, can you run upstairs and grab my wallet, please, on the bench? On the side. Done.
Wala pa rin dito yung car mo dun sa kabila. Ah, kanya-kanya yung lakad namin. Ito magdi-Disney Princess.
Naka-phone.
Disney on Ice. Kaya nga. Minsan kasi madali lang to bunutin din. Alam mo yun? Kasi yung isa ano pa. Ang dami pang ganap.
Bye-bye.
Bye, Dan. Ikaw din. Enjoy. Bye na, tita. See you later. I-text kita. Oh, mayroon na siyang key. Okay, dito na tayo sa car. So, ang ganap namin today is mag-shopping kami. For the kids. Kasi kailangan na nila ng mga damit, bagong damit. Kasi ito talaga yung time ng shopping namin. Pag nag-holiday kami. Wala kaming holiday ngayong June. Kasi ito yung alis talaga namin eh. Like caravan, punta ng Yamba or Queensland. So, and si Sak may ganap din dito. So, dito kami mag-shopping.
That house is big.
Which one? Yeah, that's new. Ano pa lang naman? 9. Baka kasi ma-traffic. Kahit Sunday. Kasi madaming ganap dito din sa Adelaide.
How far is tea tree from me?
Not far. Yeah, sa T3 Plaza kayo pupunta. Then, after, yun na, match na ni Sak. Alas 3 kailangan namin nandun kami alas 3. Tapos alas 4 yung match. Tapos may dinner pa. So, yeah. And, baka lang, hindi na ako,
Why?
I don't know.
hindi na ako mag-dinner dun or may gusto sana kaming gawin nila rice. Kain sa Japanese
Where's that?
restaurant. Tulad nung kinainan namin, nila Mars. Gusto ulit namin doon kumain. So, we'll see. Kasi sila dan pupunta naman to doon. Manunood. Kaysa, kasi hapon pa naman yun. Yan, guys.
So,
Kami na tayo magbubukas ng T3 Plaza. Hindi pa ata bukas. 9:30 yata sila nagbubukas. So, laro-laro muna sila. Ang aga, ang daming parking. Pero kami nag-park kami dito sa pinaka dulo. Malayo sa mga ibang cars. Ang dami pa doon. Galing kami doon. Wala. Gusto ni Jan dito mag-park. Kasi ang laki ng car niya eh.
holy! You can't catch! No, you can't!
Yung mag-aama nasa labas pa. Pumasok na ako dito. Sarado pa yung mga shops, oh. Pasok nga ako dito. Tingin tayo. Ayan na sila. Tinuturo niya yung breakfast. Mag-breakfast daw muna. Ang gwapo ng kuya ko. Magkocroissant sila. Iwan ko sila doon kasi gusto ko magtingin ng Ugg boots. Let's see sa. You're not gonna, huh? Asa na? Where's daddy? Iniwan ko dun si Jan eh. Kasi dito kayo nisak sa Ugg. Pag umulan dun sa amin, basang-basa ako niyan. No? So, maganda sana siya. Tinry ko to. Kaso pag umulan doon sa amin, mababasa to. Sak, look. Huh?
Why don't you just get birds?
Birds. No. Mag-birds daw ako. Ito na lang kulay na to.
Oh, it's too big.
40. I'm only 40.
What is it?
43. Wala. Nasaan na si Daddy? Ayun na. Where are going? Sarado pa guys. Yung mga nandito sa gitna. Ito. Sa Supri. Tapos nandito. Magandang leggings dito sa Supri. Si Kuya, may nakita siyang friend. Kuya, nakakita pa siya ng friend dito sa Adelaide. Ang cute ni Kuya. Glenelg.
What's that on there?
Kaano niya?
What in your ass?
For-
What are you doing over here?
Glenelg team. Dito kami sa Rebel. Gusto hanapan ni Jan sila ng trackies. Binila namin sila ng trackies kaso hindi nila sinusuot. Ayaw ni Kuya to. Ayan, Nike. Go, look Kuya.
So small.
Yeah, just try it.
Extra small. Extra small.
Small.
You want small, mate?
Yeah, because you grow quick
And you
Kuya.
can try them on.
Try it on.
Take. Here first.
Got black. How about you, Sal? Get trackies, Saki.
I'm getting the ones that Holly had.
Holly?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Where
But
is
I'm
it?
getting
Gusto niyo yung katulad kay Holly. Ayun si Kuya, meron siya na pang trackies. Meron naman siya ng socks. Ito, wala itong pinipili pa. Pang matagalan tong isa eh. Hinayaan niya muna si Kuya. Ayan na, may bag na si Kuya. Si Sak wala pa. Hindi siya nakakuha ng size ng kanyang shoes. Bili raw siya ng itong dumplings. Nauuso itong dumplings na to. Magsasayang siya ng pera dito. Which one? How much is this?
$15, 20, 20, 20.
Okay.
3 of the 20s for 45 or 3 of the 15s for 35.
Okay.
Get one dumpling plus 2 of them for $40.
$20 ang isa. Wala siya baba. Bilan niya din daw si Ayla. This one, I like this one. Oh, $20. 3 for 45 daw.
I don't get the shaving cream ones.
No,
Get like these.
that one. How much is that? $20 for that one, Baba. 15. Get get one for Isla. Maybe you can get the 3 little one, and then one for Arlo, one for you. But this is the dumplings, Baba.
Because these are toppers, they're like. I'm saying.
Ayaw niya to. Antigas? It's hard. Okay. Subuhan siya ng tatlo para 35. Kasi kung isa lang, $15 each. Alright. 35. Siya magbayad. Dito kami sa Chemist Warehouse. Para... You're right, thank you. Bilhin yung perfume ni Johnny Boy. Ito yung kay Johnny. Mas mura dito sa Chemist Warehouse. Yeah, ito. Yeah, the biggest one. Yeah, the bigger one. So, nakuha na namin yung perfume. Si Sak wala pa. Ito, ayan. Yung kanyang sinayang na pera is dito. No, it's alright.
Well, at first it was hot, so some.
Yeah, it's new. Dito naman tayo sa The Attitudes Food. Wala. Wala. Punta naman tayo dito sa Foot Locker. Oh, wow. Saya ni Kuya. And, si Sak pala. Suot ko na yung sapatos ni Sak kasi masikip na sa kanya. Huh? It's, no, this one is. This is Samba. Yeah. That's Superstar. Ayan yung socks na gusto ni Kuya. Nawala dun sa Rebel. Eto, maganda to. Ayaw ni Kuya tsaka ni Sak. Wala na talaga. Sila na talaga pumipili ng kani-kanila. What's that, Sak? For what? Regular shoes? It looks like golf. Yeah, the top one. $300 yung sapatos na yun eh. At hindi ko siya gusto kasi hindi siya ganun kagandaan, Sak. Ang mahal pa. Walang size. Size 9 si Sak. Where? It's a Salomon line, yung sapatos na yun. Wala yung black, pero may green. Si Kuya size 10.
Huh? Yeah, they haven't got your size.
Trendy daw yan ngayon eh.
If not, we can always deliver them as well.
You want green now? Or how about the other color? The blue one, sa that one, the white. Looks nice. Parang si Kuya na naman ang makakakuha. Siya, lagi siyang hindi. Walang size niya. Is it?
What? Yeah, but how much room you got?
Not much.
You haven't got much.
No. Yeah.
Stand up, man. Put your foot up the neck.
Suggest the size of 100%.
11. Yeah, 2 weeks you're out of grown down. Okay, 11.
Now, that
So, size 12. Tingnan kung mayroong size. Wala. Kasi yung napili niya, kasya, pero in 2 weeks, baka liitan niya na. Okay, wait lang. Ito, mayroon siyang gustong puntahan muna. Si Kuya andun, nagsusukat pa. Dito gusto ni Sak sa Hype. Ano, na gusto. Dito kami sa Hype. Titingin kung mayroong sapatos na yung gusto niya nga. Do they have the black one? What? 340. Ayan yung ano niya, line or brand. Salomon. Kinukuha ni ate sa likod. Huh? Silver? You said what? Which that one? Go look. 340. Well, it's okay. Yeah, Daddy will agree with that one.
We said that.
Yeah, that's right. So 9. How about silver? The silver one.
The silver, I had a look and I don't have one in the silver.
You don't have the silver as well.
I'm so sorry.
Alright. Oh, walang size si Zach. Sorry, Zaki. Siya lagi yung parang hindi nakakuha ng mga gusto niya kasi walang size. Ha? Balik kami dito sa Foot Locker. Walang size eh. Sabi ni ate wala na daw. No size. None? In South Australia? We can order. Okay. Wala din size. Oh, so you're gonna wear it now?
Have you said
You-
We send them straight to your house if anything. So usually the delivery takes about 25 business days for the shoes to
Okay.
arrive to your house.
Okay.
Yeah, because it's a really popular shoe, just people we can't make promises to us.
Okay, it's alright. As long as we order, we place the order. So you order na lang kasi very popular kaya nauubusan. Wala na raw dito sa South Australia na stock. Yung kay Kuya, 9. Zach, what size? Size 10? 10.
10?
Remember you tried the 10, it's better? Yeah, but oh no.
It's a 10, so you're more than welcome.
have a go? Because
Yeah.
just make sure, mate.
Kinayawan ni Zach kasi hindi niya gusto nga yung Ewan ko dito. Kinuha na ng lalaki. Ayun na yung box. So, I feel sorry. Like, the guy get it from the back. And then you said, no. Siya talagang mahirap. Yung, alam mo yung pinag-iisipan niya talaga. So, balik kami dun sa Hype. Ayan, suot niya na yung kanyang samba. Size 4. Okay, balik kami dun sa Hype. Kasi mas gusto niya yung kulay doon. So, you're gonna get the 10. Walang size 9 dito, pero may 10. Pero sabi nung lalaki, okay lang naman yung 10 sa kanya. Kasi konti lang yung diferensya. Eh, ang bilis nilang lumaki, di ba? You have the size 10?
In that one?
Yeah. Have a look, Zach. Size 6 to eh, yung hawak niya. You feel down? Walang size niya. So, balik kami dito. Kunin na lang yung isa ditong black. Yung silver sana ang gusto niya. We're still there, Zach. Go, hurry up. At least yung isa dito sold out. That quick. Oh, they don't have the one, the black one.
Size 12 is sold out, and size 12 is sold out everywhere.
Everywhere. Oh. Everywhere, no. All Australia.
So it's 720.
Okay.
You guys are all sorted. Thank you, patience. Straight to that.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Righto, got everything.
Thanks, Dad.
Got that box?
Thanks, Dad.
Thanks, Dad.
Sinusot niya na yung kanyang bagong sapatos.
Does it tell you that it is sharp?
Yeah, that one.
They're a bit slimmer.
But
They've also got the
string. Try that one, Sak.
That, try them on.
Thank you.
Yeah, they shouldn't be too.
Baggy.
Yeah, this one's made. This one's
I know. It's expensive. Nagulat si Kuya sa presyo. You were shocked, yeah. Ayan kasi yung price niya. 140. Turn around, let me see. I like the design. Try that one, sir. What size is that sack? Looks nice. Kuya, you see how much it is and you look
What's this one,
after.
Zach?
No, the girl.
So this not ours? Oh.
I don't know kay size. What size is this one?
What's that one?
Extra small? Punta sila sa car. Si Sak, punta kami ng Cotton On kasi naghanap nga kaming jeans. Walang jeans doon sa Universal. Walang kasya sa kanya. Here. Jeans Sak. No shorts. You got few shorts. Out here in Connor? No? Okay. For jeans. This? Ayaw niya. Ano ba yan? Punta kami ng Big W. Gusto niya nga, sabi ko sa inyo, gusto niya yung trackies ni Holly. Yung baggy na cotton siya. Ah, yeah, it's too big. Oh my God. Ay, nako, Zach. No, this is all big. Wala sa Just Jeans. Dito naman tayo sa JJ's. Walang nahanap na jeans si Zach. Oh, too big. Yan yung size 24. Too long. I know. We don't know where. Or maybe we're gonna alter. Oh. Taken off na. But it looks nice. So, it looks good. Oh. Wala din doon. So, pasok tayo dito sa surf, dive, and ski. Ah, you like it? Let me see. Can you try? Put the shoes on. Is it alright?
Do it how's your waist, like you need a belt? There you go.
No, it's alright. No, it's alright. Yeah, it's alright, babe. Get the black one too, sir.
Do you want to try
The black
the
one.
bigger one?
Yeah, 26.
Try 26.
Okay. Finally, ano siya, rip curl. Yung nagkasya sa kanya dito. Is it? Ano? Billabong. Hindi pala rip
Do you
curl.
want to try a 26?
26 sack.
Yeah, but no, you might
Oh
be
my
able to
God,
pull 'em up
short.
and put a
Yeah,
belt.
belt and shorter, yes.
Just try.
Just try. Wala na ibang kulay. Yan lang. But at least meron na siya. At least isang jeans. Hirap maghanap ng jeans para kay si Kuya ayaw niya talaga. Ayaw niya ng jeans. Mayroon tayo nakuha doon na isa. Dito naman tayo sa factory. Pantsack 24. Dito kayo sa Kmart. Sila dyan kumakain na. Bumili lang kami ng trackies. Flatten up sack. Face down, face down. sa car.
How far?
And walang mahanap ng mga t-shirt, yung mga bata. So ngayon, punta na lang namin si Hunter kasi may laro.
Dad, they're at Cave.
Maglalaro si Hunter. So, panoorin namin. Sana dinala ko yung damit para kay Willow. Hindi kasi namin alam na manunod kami.
Then turn left onto Row Avenue.
Biglaan lang. So, yeah, papunta kami doon kung saan maglalaro si Hunter.
Yep, here. Yep.
Turn left.
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
Bit hidden.
Yeah. Suot na pala ni Kuya yung sapatos, pero hindi yan yung original na gusto niyang kulay. Yung gusto niyang kulay na dapat i-order namin sa kanila, nagtanong yung nagtatrabaho doon kung mayroong stock sa sa warehouse nila. Wala raw na stock all over Australia na size ni Kuya, na size 12 na black. So ang kinuha ni Kuya is yung may orange na nakita niyo yung kanina na hinahawakan ni Sak. Ayan, orange, gray, black. Gusto niya sana yung black na black katulad kay Sak. Si Sak naman ang gusto niya gray, kaso walang size. So ang kinuha ni Sak is yung gustong kulay ni Kuya pero walang size 12. All over Australia, out of stock daw. Akala namin out of stock lang dito sa South Australia. All over Australia daw. Kasi very popular daw to si Salomon. Salomon. Ayan, hasan si Hunter? What na? Ayan yung team ni Hunter. Number 5 si Hunter, ayan.
There's a game on.
Yeah, someone's playing. Tapos na pala kami manood ng game ni Hunter.
Women's.
Dito naman kami sa oval kung saan maglalaro si Sak.
We're not going to get dark.
Sunday, ang busy. Ang dami rin na laro. Sunday, doon kasi sa amin every Saturday.
Far
Or
out.
park here.
You didn't bring a towel, did you?
No, oh my God, look at that. It's 30.
Holy shit.
Ang pangit ng oval, muddy. Ang ganda ng weather today, but yung oval nila is
Is there parks in there, you reckon? I don't think there is.
as in, para siyang putikan.
I think there's parks in
I think so, Han. Go inside. Oh my God, look. Dito kayo sa guys, Walkerville Village.
Look at it. It's all wet,
I
man.
know. Yeah, maybe that one is better outside, but
Dad, look.
That's alright, we'll go that way anyway, because we've got to go that way when we leave.
yeah.
What way?
That
Back
way.
that way.
Naghanap pa yung parking. Sabi ni Sak, bakit daw dito sa oval na to? Siguro dahil marami pang naglalaro and late din sila maglalaro, like 4 o'clock. Kasi may mga game, dito nga may naglalaro pa. Women. So tamang hintay lang kami dito. Kasi yung oras is 2:26. 3 o'clock yung meet up nila dito. Tapos 4 o'clock yung game.
Can I give them a whole what I got?
Oh, no, I don't have much battery. Palobat na kayo.
Just
Hindi ko
two.
siya na-charge. Alright.
Okay guys, so I got this. I went to the shop and there was like lots of squishies there. So I went and got it with my money. This is the peanut.
Where?
Yeah, change
And
it now,
this
Sab.
is the other one. I also got one for
I
Isla.
don't know. I'll just say what someone else is wearing first.
They're wearing all their trackies and that, mate. That's why I got the jacket.
Yeah.
Where are they?
It's in your
That's
bag.
all I got.
You gotta remember all the boys like
Yeah, nag-change na siya. Dito kami sa may malaking roundabout sa city. 10 minutes away kung saan kami galing kanina na akala namin doon. Doon naman talaga original. Nag-change lang sila ng bagong location ng paglalaroan. Han, hold Holly please. Ando na sila sa Sak. Ayun na si Sak. Reunited na siya with his team last year. Tapos ito yung mga bagong napili for under 12. state team na magre-represent sa South Australia. And ito yung last year. Howard! Dito na si Ater para manood ng game ni Zach. Dito na sila. Ayan si Talana. Ay, look at Willow.
Hear me when I say let's make a night to remember. Let's celebrate from now till forever. This time.
Ang dumi na agad ni Zach. Hala ka, Zach. Natikman. Nasaktan si Zach, guys. Ayan, may PCU na tumitingin kay Zach. Naanan siya ng isang bata. Yung pag-mark niya. Umiiyak siya kasi masakit. Si Zach, ayan, hindi na talaga siya nakapaglaro. Alis na kami sama na ako alis kami ni Ray, si Dan uwi, si Jan, tsaka si Kuya. Hintayin lang nila yung pang kaganapan dito sa state. Kasi magre-represent si Zach ng damit o yung jersey. So, hindi ko naman kailangan na sumama. Sila ma'am nakauwi na. Eto. Si Danny Boy. Ano? Yeah.
She's like, I'm just here waiting.
Beep.
Background music.
Yan, dito tayo. Guys, dito na kami sa Itsumo. Ito yung last time din namin na kinainan. Diba? Yung aking mag-aama. Ano, sarado pa? Diretso na yun kila Dan after nung presentation ni Zach ng Pero ayaw na nga ni Zach mag-attend kasi masakit na yung basket niya to. Dito siya. Ang layo ng ni ate explanation. Toilet muna kami kasi uupuan namin itong Itsumo to. Ubusan ng nagmamadali.
Dito na kami, guys.
Tama.
Same spot.
Kumamadali ka pa niya.
Parang ewan. Alam na namin order na.
Yeah.
Next page.
Ito na
Yeah, thank you.
Order ka ng main.
Ang dami. Kinuha ko to dun sa harap.
Orderan sana kita ng main kasi alam ko ano to hindi well done.
Oo.
Oo nga eh. Ano ba yung order ko last time? Pinawell done ko ngayon yung garlic pepper.
Hindi, ano yun?
Kaso, not it in here. In there. Sorry. I'm gonna order mine now.
Hey, I heard you got a new best friend. Yeah, it hurts a bit. I won't pretend that it doesn't matter that you're with someone else. In a way, that's how it's supposed to be. If I'm unable to make you happy, then it's for the better.
Dito na pala si Mark. Ngayon lang na vlog. Ayan. Uy, parang dito lang yun. Tempura tayo. Tapos yung miso soup. Small or large?
Wala tayong ano na.
May bowl ba tayo?
Yan, mayroon yan, matcha. Parang matcha siya. Dessert na kami, guys. Kaya nga parang hindi, ang tigas din. Creme brulee tayo for dessert and drums.
Uy, baka pag nakita mo ito, may bibili na ako.
Oo nga, may bibig ka na. Good luck sa pushing. Sa push. Tapos na kayo kumain, guys. Nakapag-book na ng day. Sa sasakyan. Hindi kasi nag-try. Sarap, busog.
Kaso pang-adult na kasi siya, hindi siya pwede pang-kilo.
Ayan, be. Ang lamig, guys. Dito kami sa hotel. Ng Stanford. Pero masaya, nakakain ng Japanese. Siya, kinancel. Ikaw hindi. Kinancel tayo.
Kaya pinansin, hindi mo ako makapasakay na ako.
Sorry, kami pala na-cancel. Guys, dito na pala kami sa bahay. Nagbahay-bahayan yung mga bata.
Thank you.
Ayan pala yung damit na ibibigay kay Indy, tsaka kay ate. Ay, Dom, can you try this one? This one, Dom. Ayan. Show me the mini influencer.
Malaki pa.
Pero pwede niyang itali. Pato na kasi yan, mini influencer. Kaya nga. Tapos to yung yung skirt. Di!
Influencer talaga. Change clothes, lagi.
Mini influencer. Hi, guys.
galing naman.
Ang galing niya maglusot.
Oh.
Kasha! Kasha, daddy! Show daddy!
Tingnan lahat, di ba?
Show daddy! Show daddy!
Show daddy na.
Show daddy first. Sige, jacket. Hindi yan sa'yo. Malaki pa yan sa'yo. Ang galing niya. Go, daddy.
Show daddy, okay?
Go. Put your hat. Wait. Go. Go. So, go, daddy.
Daddy, look. Daddy, read in this shirt.
Read the
Daddy, what's on your
top. Show daddy the top. Open.
Hindi nga bago yung damit niya.
Why do you feel like bucket? I just I was in a bag like when I was little. I told her that. She just learned it.
She's very good at learning. She's very good.
If I could be a paradise.